Today I'm diving into one of the most exclusive products from Gold Professional Hair Care. This is a totally new brand to the US from Denmark that is vegan, eco-friendly, salon only, and it's not available on Amazon or local store. So if you want to learn more, keep watching.
We have our 10-in-1. This is what we call our hero product. The hold factor on our 10-in-1 is a 0. This is going to be a super lightweight leave-in spray. It's going to condition, detangle. It's going to help give you any kind of shine, strength. It's very concentrated in argan oil and sunflower seed extract. What I love the most about this product is it's super, super lightweight. You can spray it on any texture. You can practically spray a whole bottle in someone's hair and you're not going to feel that it's weighing the hair down at all, which is great. So it's going to protect your color. It's going to nourish your hair. It's going to detangle. It's going to go on everyone's hair. It's going to be the first product at all times. You can cut with this as well, which I love to do in the salon. It is just that product that is going to be used on everyone across the board, and it's safe for everyone, which I love. And also it's really good for if you're going to the pool or, you know, you're out in the beach at the sun, you spray this in your hair. It has UV protection in it, and it's just going to help fill that hair. So if someone is going into the water, chlorine or salt water, it's good to use this product just so the water doesn't absorb into their hair as much.
If you want to be the first salon to carry Gold Hair Care, be sure to contact me, message me below, or if you're one of my customers already, be sure to reach out as soon as possible. We have some great opportunities to get into this brand, and if you're a customer, be sure to ask your stylist for it because they may not even know about this brand. So the only way to get it is from a distributor or a salon. Be sure to reach out. And if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to hit subscribe and click the bell to make sure you get notified, because my next video is going to be on the next product and you don't want to miss that. Thanks for watching.